Okay, guys. I'm gonna show you how to properly clean your iPod Touch or iPhone. You don't want to use any cleaning products, just a paper towel and some water. First thing, you're just gonna have to wipe it off with the paper towel. That'll get all the crap off of it. If you have a microfiber, use that after it. See? And my back is scratchy, so don't really look at that. That won't clean it up. But if it has any stains or grease marks, it'll come off. Be sure not to get water inside the iPod. Thanks. Bye.